Okay, we're at Coem Forest near Rhyl in Wales, and it's electric BMX versus top-end EMTBs.
Oh my god! Ah! Lovely! So where are we going, Dad? Is it good? Brian's bike has de-restricted itself. He hasn't done it, it's just suddenly decided to allow full speed, no limit. Ah! Oh my god! It's muddy as f***. Alright, so this is the spot. Cool. What's that say? Quam Mountain? Oh my god! No way, man! Jesus Christ!
I wanted to go to Llandegla and they brought me here.
I didn't think it was going to be that bad. It's alright.
My old body is getting battered.
I can't do that. That's all going now. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is ridiculous. Jesus Christ. Oh no, don't know it. Nearly came off then. Oh god. No way. No fucking way.
This is 10 times harder, steeper and hideous than it looks.
Just slippy rocks on bull BMX tyres. This is ridiculous. Oh, this is so hard. So unbelievably hard. And why not? Hey? Yeah, I'm good. That's a level of concentration you cannot believe. Come on, motor, get me to the top. Ah, I'm so knackered. Slightly overgrown. Slightly. What the hell? Oh, bollocks. It's the Top Gear rules. If you break down, we'll leave you there. What are you in? Trail or turbo? Trail.
Oh, mate.
Sorting my all out.
Good to see you.
Bloody hell. I'm absolutely goose. I've only been down one hill.
I rode it before, this one, but it was just...
Standing man, how's it going? I wanted to go around Llandegla. The bastards brought me here. Oh, Jesus. Seriously? Oh. Oh, goodness Christ. Ah. Sorry, I can see it. I know. Bloody hell.
This has made me realise how difficult Llandegla would have been.
I'm going to go up here and look for something a bit easier. Okay, I'm going to give this a go. Jesus Christ, on a bike.
And the ultimate goal for this bike, which was what I built it for, is probably going to be a real challenge.
Oh! Oh my God. I made it back up here. That was hard going. Proper hard going. These are good trails, but they're very hard going. Oh, that's hard, that. There's just no gap to get through. It's just relentless. I am completely knackered. God, ow, brambles, ow. I've gone the wrong way here. Hang on, no, we're doing. It's like a disused jump trail. Ow! Yo, you bastard! Oh! This is not fun at all. Where's the goddamn path? Here we go. Why? Why am I here? Everywhere goes somewhere. Well, that's a little bit of a dead end, isn't it? I'm gonna have to climb all the way back up. Wait, I'm just on the wing and a prayer here. I can't believe it's getting up here. You know, when it stops, it stops. Oh, God. Oh, fucking brambles. There you go. Don't do that again. Ooh, a little pond. Yeah, I've given up with that lot. They're just going too fast down really bad tracks. Oh, wow, look at that. That's the sea. Oh, my God, that is gorgeous. Some bloody bad clouds coming in here. Gonna get piss wet through. That's what I just came down before when they were shouting, stop! Of course I did stop. Well, you probably can't see it, but you know, just there is the sea. It looks absolutely beautiful in real life.
Well, I got my arse handed to me there. It's not really a fair comparison. These are top-end bikes I'm up against.
Just trying out Graham's little Specialized. Very nice. Oh my God, compared to the BMX. Hilarious.
Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you again next week.
Yeah, nice and powerful. It's good. I like it.